Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency that specializes in search engine optimization for local businesses, just like yourself, in order to get them ranked to the top of Google, in order to get more business. And I was doing a Google search for Charleston tree service, #1 keyword for folks looking for tree services in the Charleston area, and this is what comes up. Map pack up at the top. These are the organic listings. These are just directory listings, but you may notice some of your competitors here on the first page, which is where obviously most businesses want to be, because 80% of all new searches that are done for this keyword, 80% choose one of those top three companies. So I know you'd love to be there, and there's some things I noticed about your site that you can tweak in order to help boost your rankings. But I went to page 2, and I believe that's where we found you. Here we go, Schneider Tree. So I went to your site and pulled it up, and it really pops. That's great. Love the colors. Phone number prominently displayed there. That's good. One thing that Google does in order to rank sites high is they need to trust your site. In other words, think of it this way: Google is in it for the end user experience, so they want the people searching to find what they're looking for, to find it fast, to find it quickly, and when they find it, they want it to trust that that site provides good authoritative content and accurate information and those types of things. So one of the things it looks for is your title, and we put your URL in our metadata extractor. It pulls out your title, which this is what shows up as the blue line on the Google search. And the thing that Google likes to see is that this is what Google determines what your site is about. So they like to see the city first, and then the service after that, the keyword service after that. So you could just switch this around a little bit and put Charleston Tree Service, your line, and then Charleston Tree Service. It looks like you're in other locations, so we can help you with that as well. The other thing that Google looks at is your heading tags, and this is what determines what Google uses to not only determine what your site's about, but what you're looking to rank for. So it's showing that you're wanting to rank for tree service professionals and requesting an estimate. So people are searching, as we just showed, they're searching for Charleston Tree Service, and so that's what you would want to have in your heading tags on your website, is somewhere on there Charleston Tree Service, and then tree service professionals, or your company name. We can kind of switch those things around, or you can switch them around, but your first heading you want to be Charleston Tree Service for sure, and then you can have additional headings, which are kind of subheadings after that they pick up on as well. Your site, since you're in different locations, we could add some location tabs and do the same thing for each location, because that's the way Google looks at it, and instead of putting it all on one line. Hopefully that helps. If you have questions about that, feel free to reach out to me. You can do those things yourself, and I'll be glad to help you. All right, have a good day. Bye.